EMGM, welcome to this walkthrough tutorial. We're going to show you how to delegate your SEDA tokens to a validator on the main SEDA chain, on the mainnet. You'll need a Kepler wallet, some SEDA tokens, and we'll be using the Kepler dashboard, which is the standard for managing your delegation on IBC chains like SEDA. Cool. So when you open up your Kepler wallet, you'll need to click on Manage Portfolio here. And that will open up this screen that you can see here, which has all the details about that wallet that you're using. Then the first thing you want to do is under dashboard here on the left menu, you can pick either stake on the left or hit staking here. As I am already staking some tokens in the form of delegation, it has the node that I'm delegated to here. However, yours will have a little button over the right that says stake. In this case, I will click the arrow, which will bring up the same thing that you can see. And then you'll see all the different validators that are currently securing the network. And you can just go ahead and pick one. To pick the right one is completely up to you. You can do your own research, visit their website, learn more about their practices, learn more about what they're doing in the Web3 space, who else they validate for, whatever it is that helps you decide who you want to pick. They all come with different commission and voting power, so you can see as you click through them, this one here is 10% and 7% voting power. This one here has 5% commission. All the information's here on the right, which is great. So I'm just going to pick one at random, pick one that doesn't have a lot of SEDA staked to help distribute the network. So I'm going to pick Spirits here. And then I am going to I'm going to click stake here. And then I'm going to stake. Let's switch this around so I can work in dollars. I always find that the easier way to work. And I'm going to stake $10 into Spirits. Very good. So I click stake. Then you will need to go over to your wallet, click approve on the wallet. That'll trigger the transaction. And then while it's in progress, you'll see everything's loading. A few seconds, boom, it's done. There it'll pop up on your Kepler dashboard and you can see that you're staking. You can see the commission here from the validator that you can get on top of the APR of the SEDA network, which is currently around 10.5%. And then to unstake, you would just literally click back on that validator and then click unstake. And then once the unstaking period begins, you will not receive restaking rewards. It will take 21 days for the amount to be liquid. And you can cancel this process at any time. And then you would just choose the amount that you want in here and click unstake. And those tokens would go back to your wallet. That's it.